correct me if I'm wrong, that we don't know that genocide has happened? In fact, probably people...
Well, it seems to me if we don't know that it's happened at the moment, we never will. It seems to me it's crossed the threshold.
But forgive me. You're a lawyer, and you said you want to make sure that we do everything that's absolutely right. You can't just say, it seems to me, if we don't know it's happened now, we never will. I mean, surely something of that ilk must be proven.
Yes, of course. And I'm saying it has been. The UN rapporteur says it's passed the threshold of genocide way back in February. So it has been.
Look, I think I'm right in saying that they passed the threshold for a plausible risk of genocide. Is that not correct?
Yes, it's slightly more than that now. That was then. That was an earlier judgment this year. Since then...
But forgive me, has that been proven in court?
No, not yet. It hasn't been proven in court yet. If you wait for that, Gaza will be ended. The whole point about the ICJ is it's saying, actually, there is a plausible case. We need to obviously have a hearing on it.
Well, fine. But then should we just put all people accused of murder straight away? We don't have to wait for the court case. Why wait for that?
No, well, listen, because the murder that's happened is rather different. This is continuing actions, which I think anyone who's in the law who is asked, do the actions of the Israeli government and the statements they've made about why they're doing it, not all of them, but cabinet members, the deputy speaker of the Knesset and so on, have made very clear that they have an ambition. The ambition is to erase Gaza. Now, they're saying that. I don't have to prove it. They're admitting they're saying that. Plus, they've killed 35,000 people, mostly women, children, and children, that is, young children, infants and babies, have been targeted by snipers. They're not, posing a threat of any kind whatsoever. And I'm saying there's enough evidence there for there to be not only a plausible case, but a case, and I'm afraid to say, that the evidence is not only clear, well over the threshold at the moment. And therefore, that's why there should be no more arms. In order to prevent arms being exported and the licenses being given, you don't have to prove genocide. You're asking me to do it, but actually it doesn't have to be proved in court before that happens. If there is a risk, that's the test, that what you're supplying to a government is liable to be used in the way that it is being used, you're committing an offense.